Hi, I am Aarush. So now we are inside the forest. It's a tribal village. I like this place. Because I enjoy here. I love seeing this, and there's a nice view, and there's a tower nearby, near a river. So if you need to go river, we need to go there. So now we are just enjoying inside the forest. I like this forest. You know, it's so calm over here. I like it. We can communicate with the tree. Look, we can hug this tree. You can touch the tree, ask some energy and some energy from it, and give some energy for the tree. Yeah. And I love farming. I love farming. Just at the morning, at the afternoon, we planted some saplings. And yeah, I love nature. Nature is my big friend. Nature is my friend. So, whenever I go to nature, I feel so calm. Waterfalls, I go under the water and sit at like meditating. I love waterfalls, and I'd seen small waterfalls, big waterfalls, and yeah, I'd seen lots. And I love river. I also like what do you think? Swimming in the river. Do you guys enjoy seeing trees, plants? I love plants. And yeah, you should see nature. Come to the forest. Forest is more better density. Forest, yeah, forest is great. Oh, these two are my friends. Hi, Blackie. He is Blackie. And who went friend? His name is Sunda. There's another friend who is down. Here many dogs come here. See over there. Can you see a lot of trees? Hey, that's a nice view. Hey, what's that? Can you see? What's that? I can see something hanging. So, you find new things, you can ask questions and know what is that. So now look, I don't know what is that. So I go and ask someone what is it. So I will know what is it. So yeah, I love traveling. I love traveling. Look. This is better than a sofa. So comfortable. And there are more places which you have to look. I think that is the river. Yeah, that's the river. We need to go down. So we are going. This is, I'm coming here for the first time. I like it. I like, there's a river. I felt like sleeping there's a rock in the middle. I felt like sleeping over there all night. So look how we enjoy. Better than water parks like Wonderla, like some ocean parks. I don't know about that. So look, we enjoy over here. We enjoy. I like it. Okay. There's some house over here. I think that's the river. So hi. I like plants. Plants, I like plants, and in plants, my favorite fruit is mango, jackfruit, pineapple. You should try fruits. I love fruits. When I was 7 years, I used to eat mango. It comes fully on my face, and my father keeps on telling, "Wash your face, wash your face." So look, in summer season, we went to Zahirabad. We stayed in a tent under a mango tree. At the night, slowly, one by one, the mango will fall down. At the morning, I take it, peel it, and eat it. It's so tasty, yummy. We are just walking straightly, enjoying. Come here. I'll show you the river from up over here. Because we go in another way to a river. Here I'm coming for first time. Come, this is the river over here. Can you see over there? That rock we go stay. If you go from down, we can go there. Look, hill over here. You just need to enjoy. I like this place. Oh, wow, I like. Okay, now let's go over there. Here there are a lot of snakes over here. You should be careful. Be careful. Look, we actually want to see this house. My father liked this house. So we don't know where we came and many things, and yeah, I like it. If I'm bored, I feel I go to the river, enjoy there. In river, there are a lot of dry leaves. I think they're the boat and put in the river, so there's a boat. Look, so nice to see green things. Okay, now let's check to the river. Everybody enjoys. Dogs like to go to the forest and do many things. We have domesticated a lot of animals. Wow, I like this place. Oh my God, I feel so calm. Look guys, without this we are not there. Without us this is also there. So share energy. We should be thankful for this. I just feel like sitting somewhere in a rock. Okay, let's try in this rock. This is great. I like to climb trees. I'm learning still how to climb high. I love trees. Okay. Let's go to the river. I love river. Okay, now let's go check how is the river. Look, can you see that black dog? Let's go more near so he comes. That place where we stay and sleep in that dome. There's a normal here, over here. Oh my god, this view is so good. I want an open tree which I can hug and take some energies and give some energies. Oh my god, this is really great. That's a tree over here. This is another friend. He is Tav. They both are brothers. He's Tav, he's Sindha. And there's another dog called Blackie. Oh my god, I love it. There's a chant which my father taught. I just forgot it, so he will teach me again. Okay, now let's head to river. See, this is a papaya tree. I love papayas, and do you know a variety of papaya called Red Lady? That's more tasty. I like it. This is the meditation hall. So let's see it. This is meditation hall, and whenever you meditate, this tool is not for sitting like this. We don't sit like this. We need to put our legs like this and sit and meditate like this. So this is very dark place. Yeah, lot of trees. I'm gonna just run. Look. Oh, I like this bench. At night, you can see lots of fireflies. Lot of fireflies. Look, this is the tower. And here, look, the river. Nice view. The river over here. Okay, shall we go near the river now? I like this area. It's a nice shed. Yeah. Nice. This shed. This is a tower. Where we went is over there. Okay, let's go down. Many people say that this Waki swims. He swims. Young Waki he can swim. So now let's go to the water. So I always leave my footwears because it's easier. Hey, look, the dog. He's come down. This water is edible. this is just not like normal water. It is really like it's tasty. Yeah, it has some minerals. This water, my mom said, there are a lot of minerals in it. We can drink it. It's better than packaged material water. I love this place. Oh, this is a nice place. This is great. I like this place. Look. I'm just running randomly. Bye. So, if you want to meet this place, this is Darshan. This is Darshan. You need to come here. It's really wonderful. You can meet this place, and yeah, it's so calm. Darshan is at Kerala. Bye.